Hi everyone, this is Mehboob Basha. Today we are going to discuss the topic is complex numbers. First of all, consider one quadratic equation. Already previously we know about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and at the same time irrational numbers, real numbers. Up to there we know clearly. Now we are going to discuss here complex number. First consider one quadratic equation. Consider quadratic equation x square plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus 1 equal 0. What is the roots of this equation? X square equal to minus 1. From this, x equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. Plus or minus square root of minus 1, it is not belongs to real number system. It is not belongs to real number system. Euler was the first mathematician. Euler was the first mathematician to introduce the letter I, means iota. I equal to square root of square root of minus 1. I equal to square root of minus 1. Here, who introduced the letter here I? Euler was the first mathematician to introduce the letter I. I nothing but iota. I equal square root of minus 1. Here I square equal to minus 1. I cubed nothing but I square into I square nothing but minus 1 into I, that nothing but minus I cubed value minus I power 4 equal to I square into I square nothing but minus 1, I square nothing but minus 1, but nothing but plus 1. Here I equal to square root of minus 1, I square equal to minus 1, I cubed equal to I square minus 1, that nothing but minus 1 into I, that is minus I power 4 can be written as I square into I square, that nothing but minus 1 into minus 1, that nothing but plus 1. Now, note I power p equal to I power 4q plus r. If I power p equal to I power 4q plus r, then I power p equal to I power r. I power p equal to I power r. Now proof here, I power p nothing but I power 4q plus r. I power p nothing but a power m plus n nothing but a power m into a power n. This one can be written as I power p that equal I power q whole power 4. I power 4 whole power q. We know formula a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. I applied there. I power 4 whole power q into I power r. That nothing but I power p equal to I power 4 1. 1 power q into I power r. From this I power p equal to I power p equal to 1 power q nothing but 1 only, that equal to I power p equal to I power r. I power p equal to I power r. Now definition, complex number definition. The number which is in the form of a plus ib. The number which is in the form of a plus ib, here a comma b belongs to real numbers, is called complex numbers. Complex numbers are denoted by Z. Complex numbers are denoted by Z. Set of complex numbers are denoted by the letter C, capital C. C equal to set of a comma b such that a comma b belongs to real numbers. After that, equality of two complex numbers. Equality of two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to a comma b nothing but a plus ib here. Order pair lo rasanu, that nothing but a plus ib, and Z2 nothing but c plus d, c comma d nothing but c plus id. And if a equal to c and b equal to d, then Z1 equal to Z2. ఇక్కడ a equal to c and b equal to d అయితే automatically these two complex numbers are equal. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, Z1 nothing but here Z1 equal to Z2. When Z1 equal to Z2, ఇక్కడ Z1 nothing but ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ A plus IB that equal C plus ID. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలంటే మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా A ఈక్వల్ టు C అవ్వాలి, B ఈక్వల్ టు D అయి ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. Addition of complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A comma B nothing but A plus IB, Z2 nothing but C comma D, then Z1 plus Z2 that equal to, ఇక్కడ Z1 అంటే ఏంటమ్మా A plus IB plus Z2 nothing but C plus ID. ఈ రెండిట్లో రియల్ పార్ట్స్. Here A plus C is the real part. I into B plus D. I into B plus D. Negative of complex number. Negative of complex number. If Z equal to A plus IB, then negative of Z is minus Z, and minus Z equal to minus A minus IB, minus A minus IB. After that, subtraction of two complex numbers. Subtraction of two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A plus IB, Z2 equal to C plus ID, then Z1 minus Z2 equal to Z1 nothing but A plus IB, Z2 nothing but C plus ID. Sorry, here minus. Here A minus C. Here A minus C plus I into B minus D. Next, product of two complex numbers. Product of two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID, then Z1 into Z2. Z1 nothing but A plus IB into Z2 nothing but C plus ID. Now normal multiplication only. A into C, AC, A into ID nothing but IAD, plus I into BC, IBC, I into I square BD, that nothing but AC here plus I AD plus I BC, I square nothing but minus 1 BD, I square nothing but, what is the I square value? Minus 1, that nothing but minus BD. Now AC minus BD plus AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. This is the product of two complex numbers. After that, division of complex numbers. Division of complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID, then Z1 by Z2, that equal Z1 nothing but A plus ID by C plus ID. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో కానీ డినామినేటర్ ప్లేస్లో మధ్యలో కానీ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. రేషనలైజ్ ద డినామినేటర్ C మైనస్ ఐడి బై C మైనస్ ఐడి. మల్టిప్లై చేసి డివిజన్ చేశాను. మల్టిప్లై న్యూమరేటర్ పార్ట్ AC మైనస్ I AD plus I CD plus into minus I square nothing but minus 1, minus into minus plus D square. Sorry Nana, here A plus IB now. Sorry here. A plus Z1 nothing but A plus IB. Z1 nothing but A plus IB, Z2 nothing but C plus ID. Here C minus ID by C minus ID. A into C, AC minus IAD plus IBC plus IBC plus into minus I square nothing but minus 1, minus into minus plus BD. Here I square equal to minus 1 by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, C square minus B square nothing but ID whole square, I square nothing but minus 1, minus into minus plus. Here I square nothing but minus 1, minus into minus plus D square. From this, AC plus BD, AC plus BD plus I into BC minus AD by C square plus D square. C square plus D square. That implies Z1 by Z2 that equal to AC. I am separating the terms. AC plus BD by C square plus D square plus I into BC minus AD by C square plus D square. Note here. Note. In A plus B, in A plus IB, A is called real part. A is called real part of Z, and B is called imaginary part. B is called imaginary part of Z. In A plus IB, A is called real part of Z and B is called imaginary part of Z. After that, conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. If Z equal to A plus IB, then conjugate of Z is denoted by conjugate of Z is denoted by Z bar, and Z bar equal to A minus IB. కాంజుగేట్ అంటే ఏం లేదు నాన్న, మధ్యలో ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ రాస్తాము, మధ్యలో మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ రాస్తాము. నోట్ Z bar whole bar, that nothing but what is here? Z bar here. A minus IB. What is the conjugate of A minus IB again? A plus IB only, that nothing but Z. Z bar whole bar equal to Z. After that, absolute value or modulus. Absolute value or modulus of a complex number. Absolute value or modulus of a complex number. If Z equal to x plus iy, if Z equal to x plus iy, here x nothing but real part of Z and y nothing but imaginary part of Z. Z equal to x plus iy, then modulus of Z is denoted by modulus of Z, and modulus of Z equal to square root of x square plus y square. Modulus of Z equal to square root of x square plus y square. Here modulus z is the distance from the origin, distance from the origin to the point x comma y. ఇక్కడ చూడనా కార్టేసియన్ ప్లేన్ తీసుకున్నాం మనము. we know that here this is the x axis and this is the y axis. ఇక్కడ చూడమా x ప్లస్ iy ఈ ప్లేన్ ఏమంటాము ఇక్కడ ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్ ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ప్లేన్ అంటాము. హారిజాంటల్ లైన్ నథింగ్ బట్ x axis and vertical line is called y axis. So this is the real axis. X axis nothing but real axis, y axis nothing but imaginary axis here. So what is the point? Let P x comma y be any point in the plane. Now join OP. Now what is the distance of OP here? Square root of x square plus y square. OP nothing but square root of x square plus y square. So modulus of z nothing but the distance from the origin to the point. What is the distance formula? Here distance from the origin to the point. Square root of x square plus y square only. I hope you understood this concept, ma'am. We'll meet in tomorrow class. Thank you. Ma, if you understood my videos, please subscribe and share my videos to your friends also. Thank you.